Hey everyone, today I just want to go over 3 stocks I'm trading for the month of October. All 3 stocks have high implied volatility, so that represents a lot of premium on the line. I currently do have position in all 3 stocks and will be waiting for the implied volatility to collapse. First, as a disclaimer, I just want to say I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own due diligence before investing. The first company will be Tesla. There's been so much news on Tesla in the recent month, which has made the stock very volatile. But to make a long story short, it all started with Elon Musk tweeting about taking Tesla private, but that never happened because there was no take private deal. And then the SEC starts investigating the deal. Elon Musk then cancels the take private deal. Then you have many officers start leaving Tesla. The SEC then sues Elon Musk. Then they settle on the settlement and the fine, but then Elon Musk goes on about tweeting about the SEC and mocking them. After that, people were scared the deal might fall through. But recently, the judge has approved the settlement between the SEC and Elon Musk and Tesla. The next near-term event would be the Tesla earnings report, which is estimated to be on November 7th. So if you plan on trading Tesla, keep that in mind because it really can move after that report. The last earnings report is spiked up almost $50 at the end of the day. But we'll continue to be short premium on Tesla in the month of October as the implied volatility is still very high. The second stock I'll be trading is an ETF, EWZ, which is a Brazilian ETF that tracks the Brazilian index. There's been a lot of volatility in this ETF because of the Brazilian presidential election going on, but to sum it up, on October 2nd, the ETF EWZ rallies as Jair Bolsonaro gains popularity. We see another spike up on October 8th as Jair Bolsonaro wins nearly half the votes on Sunday, October 7th in the first round of the election. Because Jair Bolsonaro didn't win majority of the votes, there will be another vote on Sunday, October the 28th. Currently, the implied volatility isn't quite as high as it was in September before the election votes, but it's still decently high at the moment, and I will continue to be short premium on EWZ at least for the month of October. I expect the volatility to drop even more after the election votes on October the 28th. The third stock I'll be trading, or I guess a future, is the oil futures. Crude oil has fallen a lot in the past few weeks because of the rising crude oil inventories. This week, we marked the 4th straight weekly increase in the U.S. crude oil supplies, even with the Hurricane Michael knocking out some of the crude oil production facilities near the Gulf of Mexico. They report the weekly crude oil inventories every week on Wednesday. On September 26, they were expecting a draw of 1.3 million barrels, but ended with a surplus of 1.9 million barrels. On October 3rd, they expect a surplus of 2 million barrels, but ended with a surplus of 8 million barrels. On October 11th, they were expecting a surplus of 2.6 million barrels, but ended with a surplus of 6 million barrels. And today, October 17th, they were expecting a surplus of 1.6 million barrels, but surprise, surprise, we ended with a surplus of 6.5 million barrels. Overall, oil has tumbled a lot the past few weeks, and I started shorting premium in the CL futures the past few weeks, and will continue to be going forward in the month of October as the implied volatility is high. Let me know in the comment section below which stocks are you watching for the month of October. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to smash the subscribe button. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.